What's up, high levelers? It's Andrew, and we all love our brand boards within HighLevel. This is where we can manage our colors and logos for different brands within our sub account. And today I'm going to be walking you through Brand Voice, which is integrated with our brand boards, which allows us to expand our brand even more, talking about our writing style, giving us a hub to write down details about our business for us to reference later and to use within Content AI through our sub account. Let me show you how it works. So we have two sections under brand boards. We have our design kit, which allows us to include colors and logos. And then we have our brand voice, which is where we can add our brand voice to set our tone and style to ensure consistent messaging across all of our channels. To use brand voice, simply click add brand voice and then click start from scratch. Now this is our brand voice. This is where we're going to enter crucial information about our business so that way ourselves, colleagues, and our AI within our account can accurately understand what type of business we run and use this content to help guide customers along working with you. Our first section has our business information, which allows us to put in our brand or company name here, which you can change at any time. And then you can select your type of business to the right. And then lastly, we can put in our company website. After this, we can include location and contact info, which will allow us to include our company email, address, business hours, and our phone number. Again, this is stuff that ourselves, our colleagues, and our AI can reference whenever it's talking to customers. So be sure that these details are accurate and up to date. Then our most exciting section is our brand communication and personality and our brand identity. Now, our communication and personality allows us to first just select a tone of voice. This will be the tone of voice that is used by our AI, so we can select between professional, friendly, trustworthy, confident, engaging, empathetic, and innovative. Be sure to test a few of these different ones with your AI in the account to see which one works best for you. Once you've selected a tone of voice, then we can enter our brand identity and market positioning. So things like our target audience, describing who our brand is primarily speaking to, our customers' pain points to identify key challenges that will help our AI know how to communicate with customers, our brand promise, brand values, what makes us better than competitors, so highlighting advantages, what do we do, our unique selling proposition, our risks of inaction, and our call to action. So obviously we have so much information we can put in here, which is really going to help our AI book appointments, make sales, and communicate with customers whenever they're talking with you on your website or in SMS or in WhatsApp or wherever you have your AI set up. This is also going to be really helpful for whenever we're generating content. So for example, if we're going to be generating content using this new brand voice within our conversation AI, all we have to do is go to emails or SMS or the social planner, anywhere where we can create AI content. For example, here in the social planner, we can click new post and then click content AI. We can add a theme, description, and then right here when you see writing tone, this is our new brand voice. So we can select it. Rather than selecting one of the pre-built writing tones, we can select our brand voice, which we've already customized to how our brand wants to communicate with our customers. So using this and generating AI content, we can make incredibly accurate content for our customers. Having this integration within the brand board section really allows us to make a cohesive brand within HighLevel, and it's really exciting. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you learned something new, and thank you for watching.